Hello, everyone. Welcome to Leverage Builder Academy. This is Scott, and today I want to share with you a new way to do some passive income affiliate marketing. So stick around to the end of the video, and I will share with you a free resource that I think will benefit you greatly. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and I want to talk about a platform called the Simple Freedom Club. Okay. The Simple Freedom Club was established to have a platform, have an opportunity where you can come to actually learn how to properly do affiliate marketing and earn at the same time that you're learning. So, what I'm here in the back office, and I want to share with you some things that I have learned over the past couple of months from the training that we have back here. So here you can see that we're back here in the club. They're step by step. Okay, step by step. Step one, join the Facebook group. That's where most of the training takes place. There's some videos that are in the back office that I'll show you here in a moment. But the majority of our training is done either through the Facebook group or through the blog. Okay. The second step is Simple Freedom Academy. All right. Now, what I want to share with you is that you can earn $25 every time someone joins you in the Simple Freedom Club. Okay. It's imperative to be in the club to gain access to all of the training. And there is training upon training upon training to learn how to become the best affiliate marketer that you can possibly be. All right. So once you're a part of the club, the second step is to join the Simple Freedom Academy. All right. And you have the opportunity to do that at the $250 level, the $500 level, or the $1,000 level. All right. That's the difference between the Academy products, the training that's there, the Platinum products, which would be the $500 level, and then the Elite products, which would be at the $1,000 level. Okay. The training is done through the Facebook groups and through the blog. All right. And then the third step is to set up the Simple Freedom Vault. Okay. So, what you can do as an affiliate is once you come in and complete your profile and set up your payment method, at that point you can begin sharing. Okay. We have a Facebook sharing tool. It shows you step by step how to take care of the pending payments that are outstanding so that you can verify that people have joined you in your business. Then you can take a look at your team, and out of respect for my team members, I'm not going to click on these because I don't want to share their information with everybody. And then you get to your freedom line. Okay, your freedom line is people that have joined you in the business, okay, or not necessarily business, but on the platform at the $25 level, so that you can actually work with them and point them to the products that they may need in order to become a better marketer. All right. Now, inside the vault, this Freedom Vault is kind of where everything starts. So if you notice, you see a video here. The first video is about creating cash flow online. All right. And as you progress, you move on to learn more about the Cash Club and how to duplicate the system. It's very, very straightforward in how the material is delivered. All right. From there, you have other programs such as Gold and Silver, Simple Freedom. Okay. Why not get a tangible object for the money that you're actually paying in? And then we have things like a text bot. And then we have our replicatable power lead system. We have things like iCoin Pro, push button profits. So as you can see, there are so many things that if you don't have an opportunity, that you can choose to become an affiliate for. All right. We have affiliate tools. We have traffic and leads. And then we have a place right here for people who, like myself, have spent the last 5 or 6 years with several different programs. But instead of having to purchase traffic for 7 or 8 different programs, I now send traffic to one resource. I only send it to one website because everything is housed inside my Freedom Vault. And I can't tell you how powerful that is, because as people come in to the Simple Freedom Club, if they don't have a particular program that as they go through here, they find that they want to be an affiliate for, they simply click my link and move forward and become an affiliate for that product. So the power in this very simple setup is in the fact that if you are new and you're just wanting to get into affiliate marketing, the training and the tools that are available to you are unsurpassed. Okay. No one else out there is providing the content and the ability for you to have a simple product, a great web resource, and the training that goes with that to teach you how to market, whether it's online or offline or a combination of both. All right. So once someone comes in to work with you, they'll move into these videos, which go in detail how to set things up, how to get text messages, and excuse me, and so forth and so on. And then there are other tools that are available to you so that you can learn step by step how to become a better affiliate marketer, or how to become an affiliate marketer if you've never been in this type of business before. Okay. So one thing that I want to remind you of, this is not traditional network marketing. Okay. Now, if you have relationships that you have built over the years, then by all means share it with that network. But this is not something that you have to go and become a member of the no friends and very few family members club by trying to force this kind of content down people's throats. It's not how this is up. This is set up. This is set up as a way for you to provide simple freedom to anyone who is looking to make money by working from home online. All right. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My contact information is going to be below this video. I encourage you to share this video with anyone that you may want to share it with. Okay. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video that if you stuck with me, that I was going to have a resource for you that I was going to give you for free. If you join me in Simple Freedom, I'm going to show you how you can get share codes to put in to replicate the landing pages, the sales pages, and the emails to send out to the people who join you in this program. All right. Once you become a member, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. My contact information is available. I will get you the share codes, and once you become a gold member inside of Power Lead System, I will share with you the exact lead capture pages, the exact landing pages, the exact email copy, and things like that that you can use to begin the replication of that system. I want to give a little bit more than just the codes. If you join me at the diamond level inside of Power Lead System, I will actually set that up for you so that all you have to do is drive traffic. Okay. Now, inside of Power Lead System, at some point, you're going to have to get a domain. I don't care where you get the domain from, but it's easier if you do it inside PLS. All right. Once you get this set up, if you join Power Lead System at the diamond level, I will go in and I will set up your funnels for you. So that's my offer to you to help you get a leg ahead of someone else who is looking at becoming an affiliate for these types of products. So don't hesitate. Join us in the Simple Freedom platform. Let us help you get your marketing business off the ground and get you moving forward. I hope that you've gotten some kind of value out of this video. Please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon to get notified when I post the next video. So with that, if you want to join the Leverage Builder Academy with the Simple Freedom platform and learn how to become an affiliate marketer, I encourage you to click the link below this video and come over to Leverage Builder Academy. I'll talk with you soon. Have a great day, guys.